Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This video will be a little different from what we usually cover on our channel, but it's along the same lines. In this channel, we try to talk about anything with a dollar sign in front, and in today's video, we will look at some alternatives to carrying your Deo spray, your body spray, and your perfumes through TSA without any issues and or having your perfumes or your Deo spray being confiscated or thrown away by TSA. Happened to me many times, and I have found a solution to it, and I want to share this with you guys. Before we proceed, I just want to say that I understand why they do it. It's for our safety and security. So nothing against the folks that work at the TSA and is working so hard to keep us safe, but there is a way we could not break any rules, and we could take our perfumes and a Deo spray through TSA pre-check without having them confiscated and or being thrown away. So first, let's talk about Deo spray or body sprays. If you are taking anything along this size or this size, rest assured it's gonna get confiscated or thrown away. So we are looking at 5.1 ounce or 144 grams, and also the 4 ounce and 113 grams. So these are the two most common sizes you find at your local department store, grocery, Walmart, Target, whatever. This comes in a pack of 2, so it's the most economic one, but it's not economic if it gets confiscated or get thrown away, right? So the alternative is a travel pack. So this is only 1 ounce or 28 grams. I traveled with this many times. This is not the most economic one if you use this on a regular basis, but you could have any of these for your day-to-day use, but when you're traveling, you could use this. So I've traveled this with many times, and I never had this confiscated or taken away from me, and it works the same. You could get the same fragrance, same flavor that works for you, and I can assure you this is not going to get confiscated. At least that never happened with me. Now, some of you may ask, well, what if I don't use Axe? Doesn't matter what you use or don't use. You could just use this for while you're traveling, and you could use whatever you prefer, your preferred brand of deodorant or Deo spray when you're not traveling. So another thing I just want to show you, Axe typically comes in this kind of packaging. So you twist it so this thing pops up and you press it to spray. Whereas with the travel pack, it's your typical spray bottle. Just, there's a cap, there's a spray bottle, but it smells the same essentially. You could pick this up from Amazon. It's pretty available. You could also get this at CVS or Walmart. I've seen those there as well. So whether it's Amazon, CVS, Walmart, it's pretty available. You could pick this up pretty easily, and you could just keep this in your travel bag. So you've got some deodorant when you're traveling. I also want to mention the only issue is when you're traveling with aerosol bottles. If you use one of those deodorant sticks, that has never been an issue. When I was traveling through TSA, those never got confiscated or taken away. So if you're using something like a deodorant stick, chances are that's not going to get confiscated. It's only if it's a spray bottle or an aerosol bottle that you'll have issues with. So if that's your preferred deodorant, the travel pack will save you. All right, next order of business. Let's talk about perfumes, colognes, everything along those lines. If you want to take something like this through TSA, you could rest assured it's going to get confiscated and or getting taken away. This is 4.2 fluid ounce or 125 mLs. So this is not the most expensive of perfumes or colognes. Davidoff Cool Water, but if you're using something like Baccarat Rouge, that might be a tough pill to swallow. So perfumes is obviously an issue if you like to travel with your favorite fragrances. especially if it's on the pricier end. You don't want those getting confiscated at the TSA line. So the solution is this. I got this off of Amazon once again. This is pretty available as well. It is Travel Perfume Atomizer. So let me show you what this is, and I'll show you how to use this. So it's pretty simple. As you can see, it comes in this little packaging. This is what it looks like. So pretty self-explanatory. This is your travel perfume bottle. It's a spray aerosol bottle right there. And it's this little window that shows you what level of perfume you've got left in the bottle. Obviously it comes empty, and you could basically fill this up with your favorite perfume or whatever perfume you want to travel with. I want to mention that this will work with anything that has a spray nozzle like this. So whether it's something that's got a spray nozzle like this, or let's try another one, spray nozzle like this will work just fine. If it's something that you kind of dab onto your fingers and apply it, it's not going to work. So make sure that the perfume you want to put in this has got a spray nozzle. So the process is pretty simple. You basically take the bottle, take the cap off, and then the spray nozzle that you have here, you simply take that off as well. And you see this little thing that comes up. This is what we would use at the bottom of this travel atomizer to fill this up. So this is the one, let's say I want to carry when I travel. I take the travel atomizer, I put this nozzle at the bottom where you can see, if you look closely, there's a little hole right there. And I put this on top and I keep pumping it, and it will start to fill it up. So let's do this. I'm going to turn the window towards myself so I can see how much I've filled it up. 2, 3. Okay, I can see that it's starting to fill up. Let me show you guys. Do you see that? Right? You can see that. Okay, so now let's just use this as an example. We know that we've transferred some of the perfume from the big bottle to the travel atomizer, and now let's see how that works. You see that? Okay, it's working. I can smell it. So there you go. I could take this through TSA pre-check, no problems at all. So now I don't have to worry about taking this bottle with me, getting confiscated, and they throwing it out or anything like that. So I can just, put the perfume I want to travel with in one of these and just carry this when I travel. It's that simple. If you want to carry multiple perfumes with you when you travel, repeat the process for all the perfumes you want to travel with, and you're set. So let's summarize. Okay, if you want to travel with Deo Sprays, once again, those deodorant stick is not a problem. If it's an aerosol bottle, that is a problem. So don't carry the bigger bottles. Buy one of the smaller ones you could find at CVS, Walgreens, or Amazon. Just travel with these. When it comes to perfumes or colognes, don't travel with these bigger bottles. You don't want those taken away or thrown away. So get one of these smaller ones from Amazon. Fill those up in the process that I just showed you, and you'll be able to travel with your favorite perfume when you travel. And you could carry multiple of these if you want to travel with 2, 3, 4, or if you've got multiple favorite perfumes you want to travel with. Just repeat the process for all of them. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.